Roblox flood escape. Yeah. Flood escape time. Oh no. Oh no, what am I doing? Okay, let me turn on shift lock real quick. Confirm. What I click? Alright, there we go. Okay, let's go. There we go. We're doing medium because easy's too easy. Because we're that good.
Yep.
We're that good.
It's built different.
We're built different.
We've got some other girl to carry us.
She'll carry me. I got a button. I got a button if that helps.
Oh crap,
Why does his nose look like that though? Meow meow.
You like my dad.
Okay, cool. Let's go. We're doing easy. Medium's just too.
No.
It's mid. It's not even that good.
Is that Caillou?
Caillou? Caillou. I was the. What's Caillou? Isn't that the weird bald kid?
Yeah.
And his nose is really messed up.
Yeah.
I know who you're talking about now.
Ew, she's back.
Ew. Go back.
The furry.
For the furry. Meow meow. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do.
Well, you're not the only one.
Shut up.
What the heck?
Frida. I'm gonna drown. I'm gonna drown. I'm gonna drown.
I killed myself.
If there was ever Ice Spice.
Where?
Look at his face. Wait, stop moving. Rita. Okay, let's go. We're doing easy.
No.
Yep.
Medium's ready.
Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Whoa.
Oh, so we've got a. Oh, why did it stop?
I hate this one.
You're just bad. Click it.
I'm better than you.
I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead. GG, GG. I'm insane. No!
Spectate me.
Oh, I'm
Why
insane.
the internet's dropping
No!
Spectate me.
Something happened there, don't really know what. Yeah. Oh, let's go.
Easy.
No, we're gonna miss it. Oh, let's go. I'm in.
Are you right?
What are you doing? You're so bad. This is how it's done. Don't hate the player, hate the game. I will carry you.
What would you do if I literally smoothed your screen right now?
That's so unfair. It's because I'm black, isn't it?
It is.
Is that my brother?
Going hard.
This will be the thumbnail.
Ice spices and medium.
This will be the thumbnail.
Join mediums.
But there's no animation. The game is ending. Whoa. Whoa, am I going in or not? Whoa, am I going in or not? Well, fine, I'll go in. Oh, let me in. Let me in. I'm sorry. Because I couldn't be bothered. Yeah.